विल्यम डिकॉस्टा गोवा बार्ज मालक संघटनेचो नवो अध्यक्ष. नॉमिनेशन कमिटीन वेंचणूक घेतली. वेंचणूक आदलो अध्यक्ष रेमंड डिसोजा कॉंत्र गेल्या. तो म्हणटा नेमणूक खंय बेकायदेशीर.
The ex-president, Mr. Raymond D'Souza, did not conduct the elections for the executive committee for 2018-19 as well as 19-20. One of our members took him to court to conduct the elections for 18-19, but we felt that matter is still lying in court. Settlement was not coming. We are already into the next financial year of 19-20, so we decided that following the constitution of the Goa Bar Association to start the process of elections, and due process has been followed, giving the right notice to every member so that the election, the 14 days notice was given and the election rules were circulated. Election process, especially I would say free and fair elections, is an open process where every member can participate and every member who wants to work for the association can aspire to be a member of the committee by being elected. Unfortunately, this was not done. Now I have been elected unopposed and I make an appeal to our members to all come together because we barge owners are facing so many problems. The very survival of our inland water transport in Goa is at stake, and unless exports commence as early as possible, we will not be able to survive.
Election declares that I become the immediate past president. When I become the immediate past president, first GBOA has to send me a letter asking me to become the chairman of the nomination committee. Maka GBOA कांय बरयलो ना नाजाल्यार कोण election process केले तेणी म्हाका बरयलो ना. When I am not invited to become the chairman of the nomination committee, who has given powers to Atul Jadhav to become the chairman of the nomination committee? Who is Atul Jadhav? So what the procedure they have followed is totally illegal. Secondly, constitution. आमगे constitution आहा secretary, office secretary, now the honorary secretary has to send a notice. When already we have office secretary in our office functioning, I don't know what is the need for pro tem secretary and who is the pro tem secretary, we don't know. Who has appointed the pro tem secretary, I don't know. Any meeting of the election or any other business of GBOA has to be conducted in GBOA office and not in somebody's private office.